Welcome to Learning Algebra with Ms. Rodriguez. By the end of this video, you will understand to determine the number of solutions using the discriminant. Here we want to find the value of the discriminant and state how many solutions the quadratic equation has. So not only do we want to find the value of the discriminant, but then we want to use that number to determine if we're going to have 2 real solutions, 1 real solution, or 0 real solutions. The way we can determine this information is depending on the type of answer we get. So if we get a number that is greater than 0, meaning it's positive, then I will have 2 real solutions. If I get a number that is equal to 0, then this means I have 1 real solution. And if I get a number that is less than 0, meaning negative, then I will have 0 real solutions. So step 1 is to first find the discriminant, similar to what was done in finding the discriminant video. So I identified my A, B, and C because my equation is in standard form. And then I set up my formula so that I can just fill in my numbers. So my B is positive 1, my A is negative 9, and my C is positive 10. So I'm going to go ahead and evaluate to find a number for my discriminant. So I end up with the number 361. So because my number is 361, this is positive, I will state that I will have 2 real solutions. So if I were to solve this equation, I should expect 2 real number answers. So example 2, also in standard form, I'm going to go ahead, identify my A, B, and C, plug into my formula to find a value so that I can determine the solutions. So if I find the discriminant, I end up with the number negative 27. So I can use this to identify what type of solutions I will have. This is a negative number, so I will have 0 real solutions. So in the triads, I want to find the value of the discriminant, so that means find the number, and then state how many solutions the quadratic has. So this means determine using my chart if I will have 2 real solutions, 1 real solution, or 0 real solutions. So when I find the discriminant, I have the value of 0. So this means that I will have 1 real solution. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow educators or students.